And yes, when the raccoon made its surprise entrance, everyone screamed like extras in a telenovela. But don't worry, this is just the pain before the payoff. Suddenly, we leap to paradise. For 10,000, it's a luxury villa straight out of your wildest daydreams. Infinity pools, private floors for every guy, and jellyfish glowing inside the walls. No raccoons here, just flamingos serving up attitude and room service that never quits. Jimmy's crew is living like rock stars. And the only rule? No more pillow fights in the pool. This isn't a vacation, it's a music video with bottomless fries. Now, let's crank up the flex. Bonjour, Paris. 50 grand gets you an empty Eiffel Tower. All to yourself, because Mr. Beast literally rented it out. No crowds, no lines, just Jimmy and the crew turning the monument into their own playground. From a private ferry ride to a candlelit dinner in a five-star restaurant, they're already living the dream. But when Jimmy flips a switch and turns off the Eiffel Tower lights with a single command,